Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 4 of 3 words and expression of a handwritten day. Let's review first. 坚持，坚持，坚持 Keep going. 加油，加油，加油 Come on. 我能，我能，我能 I can, I can, I can. 学习，学习，学习 Study or learn. 汉语，汉语，汉语 Chinese, Chinese, Chinese. 简单，简单，简单 Easy. 朋友，朋友，朋友 Friend. 尽快，尽快，尽快 As soon as possible. 尽快，祝好，祝好 All the best. Today let's learn 等等，也许 and 回来，等等的等的等等等。In English, 等等 means wait. In some cases, it also means and so on. For example, there are some fruits on the desk, apple, orange, and so on. 等等。This is 足字头 土 and 寸 So 等等。Wait, and so on. 等等。The second one for today. 也许 maybe. 也许也许 maybe. 许言字旁 This is 午 noon 正午也许 maybe. The third one 回来喝微回了 I 来回来回来 means come back. I'm back home. 我回来啦。ただいま。回。OK。来。回来。也许，也许，也许，等等，等等，等等。 等等我 wait for me 等等 and so on 也许 maybe 也许回来回来回来 Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.